What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here in Photoshop and I will be showing you how to get rid of underarm sweat stain. So let's get started. First of all, how are we going to select the sweat or the stain? We have very different method of selection, but I'm just going to show you a quick way I could do that. Tried so many and it's actually not working. So just duplicate the layer, change the blending mode to multiply, and we have it darker like this. You can actually duplicate it twice. Feel like, let me just duplicate it twice, and then we have it so dark. I'm just gonna decrease the hue or opacity bit, and then we have it like this. Let's leave it at 50%. And now go to select the range. Just select anyone. First one, select color range, and then select the color. Hold down Shift and just let's do that again. Drive towards. Now it's very important you don't select the shadows. You just want the sweat only. Okay, so I'm selecting just the sweat only, and we have it like this. Now let's zoom in to select some parts. Let's change it from points to 3 by 3 and take the average of those spaces, and that will go ahead and help a lot. So like that, and I'm going to select somewhere like this and this. Okay, so that's okay, and then click OK on the keyboard. Now after selecting that, select the first layer, or you can actually go to the text any layer, just select hue and saturation. Now it's going to, the mask automatically be created. I'm going to get rid of this two layer, and then we are back to the way the picture is. Now hold on Alt and click on the layers. You can see where it's selected. We want to remove the selection from those places we don't need it, like the end and the body. We just want to make the selection to this area only. Select the brush tool, make sure the background color and the background color is black and white. So select black to hide the background color, and I'm going to make the brush very hard so as to clean. Let's make the flow, increase the flow to 100%, and then let's basically don't need it. Something like this, and I'm going to erase. Make sure to erase it where you don't need the selection. I'm going to remove from this side, and I'm going to leave it like this. And now, so hold on Alt and select that. Okay, so I'm still going to remove it from this space. You can see, just trying to follow. Okay, and so there we go. Okay, so now open up the hue and saturation layer, and this time around we're going to match the color. I have a tutorial on that coming, and I don't want to go in depth with it right now. So it's how to match two colors together to get the exact same color, but I don't want the video to be long. Now this is what you need to do. You need to match the two color with hue and saturation, and then you need to mess around with the hue, saturation, and light. Now the dry part is actually light, and you need to increase the lightness of the selection. So whatever you adjust is going to affect lightness. Now since you took the lightness up, let's leave it there about 28. Yeah, okay, and then we're going to mess around with the hue also and the saturation. So let's take the saturation to almost out. Just mess around with it to get the same. I'm leaving it there. Let's just take it out a bit. Okay, somewhere, and then we're going to take the hue just a bit till we have something similar. So there about, there we go. So we have two the same cut. Now that doesn't end there. Let's decrease, let's remove that, and we need to blend it more so to make it look good. So open up the blending mode or the blending option, drag it to the back, and now the underlying layer, hold on Alt and separate it. So let's remove it from some darker part, and then let's leave it there about let's take it till it looks natural. I'm gonna take it up, so leave it around somewhere like this. Okay, now I'm going to bring this down and split it up as well, and I'm going to take it up and take this one up to where we have something similar. Okay, Let's take a look. Put that on separate, and we have yeah, see we have something smoother transition. That okay. Let's leave it 106, and I'm going to mess around with this one as well. So it's something like this, and then that's from now. If you click OK on the keyboard, and we can see our before and after. So they are actually matching now. So now we're going to create a stand visible layer holding down Ctrl Shift and an E, and then we're going to place it twice and do some frequency separation. Name this one color and name this one texture, and this is to separate the texture and the color so we can work with them independently. So we're going to turn on the texture layer, select the color, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and we're going to blur it at the radius 2. Yes, this is okay, and then hit, or we can take it up a little bit and then take 2. Okay, select the texture layer, turn it on, and go to image, apply image, and under the layer select color, subtract blending mode 2. Just take the settings the way we do normal frequency separation and change the blending mode of that to linear light, and so now we can work independently. Okay, so first thing first, let's start with the mixer tool brush. Set your brush settings to how we have on the screen, and then let's blend. So quickly blend the image, this, then we'll blend this together as well. So don't worry about the image mode, the edge of the image blending together. Just try and blend the colors together. We're going to fix a lot of zoom back, something like that. I'm also going to pull this side, so we have like this, and the side as well. Together, let's do it right. Okay, so now after that, let's say we are done, blending the image together. You can take your time and blend it, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to stop. Go to the texture layer, go to the clone stamp tool, and we're going to hold Alt. Let's decrease the hold Alt to sample an area, and we're going to come like this. Hold Alt and sample, and like that. Hold Alt, sample, hold Alt, sample, and click. Hold Alt, sample, hover. So just hold Alt, sample, hold Alt, sample, hold Alt, sample, and drag something. Right, so same thing, hold Alt, sample, hold Alt. So like this. Good. Alright, here as well. Sample and cover up what we need, and same thing as this one. What we need. Just want to quickly finish that up. Okay. So that's what it called from it's view, and that. So click this color layer again, and then blend this together. Right, so we're gonna blend it very well, and there we go. All right, so now that we are almost done with settings, let's correct this little one idea. What we call click. Okay, so now we have that. Create another stand visible layer. Okay, just leave it here. Let's correct this document. Let's correct the top part. Okay, so now create another hue and saturation layer, and click on the hand tool and select this yellow part, and it's going to select it right here. All right, so now we need to select just the yellow part alone, but to be very hard, but whatever we adjust is going to affect just the yellow part better. So let's see how we do that. Let's leave it yellow part. Okay. It's 0 because it's affecting everything. Let's close it. Go to select, color range, and select this yellow part. So we have that. Go down sheet, select the yellow part. Let's do it again. Select the yellow part. So we have that, and now, okay, so that's okay. Now I'm going to zoom out and open up the end, pick the end tool and select that part, the yellow, like I said, and then adjust to have something similar. Just need to adjust it. Okay, all right. So let's see before, and then yeah. All right, so now it's having the same color as that of the the clothes. Good as well. Reduce the opacity of it to like small like 25. And let's create a stamp visible layer for that. Control Shift and E. Select everything, group them together. Let's turn it off and let's see before and then let's zoom out and see before and that is how to get rid of on sweat stain. If you find the video helpful, and like, share, comment. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the next video.